My name's Sophie. I'm a physics teacher at T-Bone Academy, and I'm also a fire dog at the station right down the street.
Hi, Sophie. It's Marco.
Hi, Marco. What's up?
Well, I need help thinking of a science fair project. Can you help, Sophie?
Can I ask you a question first?
Okay.
What do fire trucks, police cars, and ambulances all have in common?
I know. Sirens?
Yes, that's correct. Now let me ask you another question. What do all sirens have in common?
That's tricky. I don't know the answer to this one, Sophie.
Let me explain. All sirens have frequency and pitch. Have you ever wondered how you are able to distinguish high-pitched sounds from low-pitched sounds? Your ear can distinguish the pitch of a sound based on its wave frequency. Wave frequency can either be high or low. Now let me explain.
I'm all ears, Sophie.
Here's an example of frequency. Let's explore the relationship between sound waves and pitch. Let's say there are two pitches of a guitar. Pitch 1 and pitch 2. Both pitches are of the same note, E. A pitch is a quality of a sound, high or low, determined by the amount of vibrations, frequencies of a sound wave. Sound waves cannot be seen, but can be heard. Once a sound wave enters the ear, pitch can be heard.
Really? Can you please explain that?
When the string of a guitar is plucked, it emits a sound wave. Depending on how high or low the frequency of the sound wave is, depends on the pitch of the sound. Frequency is measured in hertz. The first note, E4, has a higher frequency than the second note, E3. We can prove this phenomenon by learning about the relationships between frequency and pitch, and wavelength and frequency.
Hey, Sophie. What relationships do frequency and pitch have to each other?
Well, frequency and pitch have a direct relationship. When frequency is high, pitch is high. When frequency is low, pitch is low. On the other hand, wavelength and frequency have an inverse relationship. When sound waves are short, frequency is high. The sound waves in pitch 1 are short, more condensed, resulting in more oscillating sound waves per second. The sound waves are more condensed, resulting in a high-pitched sound. The sound waves in pitch 2 are long, resulting in fewer oscillating sound waves per second. The sound waves are more loose, resulting in a lower pitched sound. Therefore, pitch 1 sounds higher because it has short sound waves, resulting in a higher frequency. Pitch 2 sounds lower because it has long sound waves, resulting in a low frequency. Marco, did you know that humans cannot hear all the sounds around them?
Really? Can you please explain that?
The human ear can hear frequencies in the range of 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. Humans cannot hear frequencies below 20 Hz and cannot hear frequencies above 20,000 Hz. Due to the limited range of frequencies they can hear, humans cannot hear all the sounds surrounding them in nature. Frequencies below 20 Hz are classified as being infrasonic. Infrasonic. Very long sound waves that create frequencies below 20 Hz to as low as 0.001 Hz. These sounds are inaudible to the human ear. Some examples of infrasonic animals that can hear and emit frequencies below 20 Hz are blue whale calls and elephant rumbles. Elephants communicate to other herds through infrasound. Their hissing rumbles can travel through solid ground, creating frequencies so low and long that they can be detected by other tribes by foot to up to several miles away. Frequencies above 20,000 Hz are classified as being ultrasonic. Ultrasonic. Very short sound waves with frequencies above 20,000 Hz. Ultrasonic sounds are inaudible to the human ear. Some examples of ultrasonic animals that can hear and emit frequencies above 20,000 Hz are bats, who use echolocation to identify and locate specific objects, and rats, who emit high-pitched squeaks when feeling aggressive. Woohoo! I think I could start my science fair project now, Sophie. Thanks again for teaching me about frequency and pitch of sound, Sophie. No problem, Marco. Anytime. Well, good luck on your project. Well, gotta run.